Unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, Jay Robotics. Our electronic ensemble consists of 4 main components: the versatile Arduino microcontroller, a sensitive metal touch sensor, a vibrant buzzer, and the ever-reliable jumper wires. As we journey through this tutorial, you'll discover how each element contributes to the symphony of interactivity in your creations. The metal touch sensor is more than touch sensitive. It's a digital detective detecting changes in electrical conductivity. Perfect for interactive projects, it adds a touch of magic by responding to your touch. The buzzer isn't just for beeps, it's your project's voice. Integrated with the metal touch sensor, it provides audible feedback, elevating your projects into multisensory experiences. It's about adding life and character beyond the visual. Now let's get our hands dirty. Not too dirty, though. Connect the metal touch sensor to the Arduino with precision. VCC enjoys the stability of the 5V pin. GND, the grounding force, establishes its connection with the ground pin on the Arduino. The digital output, DO, gracefully finds its way to a digital pin. Let's designate it as pin 2. Each wire is like a note in a musical score, and we'll orchestrate their arrangement for optimal performance. Next on the agenda is the buzzer. Witness the positive terminal, plus, taking center stage as it connects to another digital pin, say pin 3, while the negative terminal seeks grounding solace at the ground pin on the Arduino. Before we upload the code, ensure you've selected the correct board and port. Go to Tools in the Arduino IDE, choose your board, for example, Arduino Uno, and select the port your Arduino is connected to. Now, you can upload the provided code. In this exciting demonstration, we're about to experience the dynamic response of our metal touch sensor and buzzer setup. As we touch the metal surface of the sensor, you'll witness the immediate magic. The buzzer springs to life, emitting a distinctive sound accompanied by the message, "Touch detected." This real-time interaction exemplifies the seamless integration of the metal touch sensor and buzzer, providing instant auditory feedback to physical touch.